proper, very early good morning. I'm going to Cars and Coffee over in Walnut. I'll show you guys what we're doing, but first off, we gotta get some gas for this baby. Let's get it. Oh my God, it's so early. I'm so glad I have airlift because I can lift up the front super high. Oh man, I haven't gotten gas in so long, I don't even know which side gas is on. Do I know how to fill up gas? Because I haven't filled up gas in forever. You stick it in the hole. I know how to do that. Oh, you put the little trigger down. Oh, I know how to fill up gas. Someone died here like a year and a half ago. This car is loud, it's bumpy, it's fast, and it breaks a lot of necks.
People wanna talk that talk in reality. You have not seen me in action. You think the come up comes overnight. You ain't behind the scenes, trust me, these things don't just happen. No shade to Gerald, but G's don't come easy. When you tryna eat, I producing and rapping. I read that contract you sent me to sign, but excuse me,
I always get so nervous when I roll up to car meets. I don't like it. How's it going?
They're pretty booked over there. They're kind of telling people to go in here. The main parking lot's right there, so this might be a better spot for you, but it's completely up to you.
You tell me. Let's put you in a corner spot so they won't fuck it up.
Okay. Yeah. I got hooked up with the hat. Look at this. Oh, look who it is.
Oh, hello.
Mr. Famous.
Oh, jeez.
I like your pins. They're nice. They're nice. We'll look at his car in a little bit. This is your Miata?
Yes.
Okay, let's go over there. Let's go look at it.
Oh, okay.
Haven't been out in front of people in so long. I feel weird. Black. Kind of black one.
Sure.
Yeah, I think that's nice. Oh my God. Guys, I don't know how to vlog, so excuse me. This is so pretty. Look at this. Why can't that be us?
Because our
Bunch of ruckus and groms.
we're too short, we can't reach the handlebars.
So true. I'll be like driving with my Hi. Look at this. Old school. Dude, I haven't seen you forever.
Hey man, how you been?
Good, man. How are you?
Yeah,
Oh, look at this. Hooking up like always. Custom? You made this? You designed the smell?
Her name's
Smell. Can you smell it? It smells good. What's up, boy?
Hey,
Whose car is that?
I don't know.
That's sassy though. Look at that. Wait, why is he on the wrong side? I don't. Oh, look at that.
Oh, your camera's backwards.
Oh, my camera's backwards. Oh, look, he's parked right next to me. I'm honored. I am honored.
Same color tone, that's why.
Bruh.
What are you doing, brother?
Dude, I was about to DM you. I was like, oh, I don't know if he's gonna come out here. I was like, who else has one in the neighborhood? Oh, up here, screw hooking me up. Look at this.
Yeah.
Thank you, senor.
Thank you, man.
Dude, that's
You're
sick.
always doing so many good things for the community, man.
Oh, yeah, that's so good. From Pierce. Jeez. For sale? How much? $80,000. Oh, not 58. 58K. You guys looking for a Stingray? Oh my God, that's a Supra. Oh my God, that's a Supra. So Hoy and I realized something. Everyone has nice cars now. Everybody. And like back in the day, a stock ass Civic was cool at a car meet, or like my stock ass Subaru was cool at a car meet. But now, you can't even see a Civic without a front splitter, right? Or a Burble exhaust mod, or look, a slammed Honda. There. Look at this lineup. Oh look, if you have more money, you take 2 spots. Ah, that's how you do it. I am so confused. Well, no, scratch that, guys. You don't need a lot of money to take 2 spots. I know. It is like a turtle, huh? Oh, is this turtle? Yeah, it is like a turtle. Oh, what they do? There's a phone in here. Like a legit phone. Look. That is a phone. I wonder if it's like back in the day it was operational. Say what's up. Hey. Dude, everything's so clean in this car.
See, the
That one's
practice
popping heads
step right
now.
here. So it's just kind of hanging right now.
So clean. Looks like a show car. Oh my god, it's red inside. It's quiet too. Oh, air.
Perfect. Thank you.
It's on air.
I don't think I did. Were you in the middle?
Rolling out of the meet. So good to see everybody. Air down a little bit.
I mean, we were just sitting back, you know, chopping it up, reminiscing about the good old days and all that. You know, tracking my roots, where I came from, and where I'm going. But like I say, man, always said it. It's not about the destination. It's all about the journey. Ain't nothing changed but the weather.